To log into the LG screen, slide up on the screen or press Enter on the keyboard. This will prompt you to sign into your Salem State account. If you're connecting your laptop, each room is equipped with an HDMI cable with an adapter ring that will allow you to connect to your device. For all sound controls, you can select the side Android arrow and the levels will appear, or select the speaker icon on the bottom right corner. To select a display mode, press Windows P on your keyboard or select the Android arrow on the display menu. Duplicate display will mirror the same screen on both displays. On the screen you wish to display the duplicate screen, select Mirror Right or Mirror Left. Extend display will create separate screens. For example, having a PowerPoint presentation on one and searching the web on the other. If you wish to use the Android system, select Create Board. This will bring you to the home page, and the most commonly used application is Notes. To share your note with the class, select Share, and then a QR code will appear. To save, select Menu, Cloud Storage, and then log into your Google or OneDrive to save your note there. If you wish to exit Notes, which is displayed in full screen, select the Android arrow and select Back or Home, depending on what you would like to do.